Good morning, my dear students. In this video, discuss let the topic is mathematical model of speed governing system. In the last video, discussed the functional of speed governing system. What are the following components are discussed in the already discussed in the last video. Now derive the mathematical model of speed governing system. Let the assume the initial values of the assume that the system is initial operating under steady state conditions. Now shall design and develop a mathematical model of based on small derivations around the steady state of the system turbine, and the steam is operating under steady state is delivering the power. Let the initial values frequency of the system is f power of 0 and generator output Pg power of 0 or turbine output, and that next one is steam valve settings Xe power of 0. Let the this is the initial values. Assume that the initial values of the system under steady state condition. Now derive the mathematical of based on mathematical model of speed governing system. Let the speed changer is lower than an amount of delta. Let the speed changer is lower than by an amount of delta xa, as the result of this change in the power is delta pc. Delta pc. Then delta xa equal to k2 into delta pc. Here the k2 is the constant. Delta k2 is the constant, and here there are the the speed changer is lower than. Here the speed changer is a lower than by amount of delta, the position of the linkage point of the position of by the changing delta xa, as the result of the change in power delta pc. So here then delta xa equal to delta xa equal to delta xa equal to k2 into delta pc. So now the moment of linkage point A causes the small proportional changes of delta xc and delta xd. If the moment of D is upward, high pressure oil passes through the into hydraulic amplifier from the top of the main piston, thereby the main piston moves downwards, and the point E and small distance of delta xc, which is the result, is increasing the turbine torque, and consequently the power increases by the delta pc. Here the by the let the speed change is lower than by the amount of delta x as the result of change in power delta pc, but here the delta pc is the lower than the linkage point. Small position will be changes that then corresponding the delta xc and delta the point c and point d, the variable, the position will be changes nothing but delta xc and delta xd. So here the delta xd, and by increasing the turbine torque, consequently once torque is increases, then power will be increases by the delta pce. So the finally the equation of delta delta xa equal to k2 into delta pc. So next one, and two factors are contributed to movement of the c. Two factors contributed to movement of the c. Here the diagram of movement of the c. Here two factors. One is the two factors contribute to the movement of the c. So here the causes the movement of c. One factor is the b, another factor is a d. Another factor is a d. So if they are increasing the frequency causes to b to move the changing the position of link b is a delta xb, and is the downward directions. The contribute is a downward direction, contribute is a positive, and taken as a the delta can taken as a k1 into delta f. k1 into delta f. So if the speed is increases, nothing but the frequency also increases. The increases the frequency delta, the changing the position of b changes the position to moves to by the changing the position of delta xb, that is move to downward directions. The fly ball outside expands to downward direction, take as the positive and taken as the k1 into delta f1, k1 into. So here the increase the frequency causes to move b to move, and by the delta xb, when the frequency changes by the delta f, then fly ball moves outwards and b is the lowered by the delta xb. Therefore the contribution is the positive and is given by the k1 into delta f, k1 into delta f. The second one is the lowering speed of the change in amount of delta x. The lowering the speed changes by the delta x lift c upwards by an amount of proportional to the delta x. That is, let the delta xc like this k2 into delta xa or k2 into delta pc. Now this the finally to write the equation delta xc equal to the contribution of two factors. One is the b, another point is the a. So here the k1 into delta f and minus k2 into delta pc. So here the k2 means that the point a lift to the above, move to the upwards, take as the negative, and move the downwards, take as the positive. To write the final equation delta xc equal to k1 into delta f minus k2 into delta pc. This is the first equation. Here the k1 and k2 are the constants. Here the k1 and k2 is the constants. The next point is the movement of d. Here the movement of here the movement of t is contributed by the movements of cn. This point is linkage movement of this point is moment of contributed by the moment of C and E. The corresponding will be the changing the position of link C and the link E. To C and E move downwards, the D links move upwards, and C and E the links move downwards. So the finally equations. So here the moment of D is contributed, the moment of C and E and is to move downwards when D move upwards. Therefore the finally equations delta xd equal to k3 into delta xc plus k4 into delta xc. So a C point and a D point of linkage mechanism, both points are moved to downwards, so I take as the positive. The next point is assuming that the oil flow into the hydraulic amplifier or hydraulic cylindrical is a proportional to the delta xd of a pilot valve. The value of delta x e is given by delta x e k5 minus delta xd into dt. Here the oil, so assuming the oil flow into the integral hydraulic amplifiers, they take as the integrations. Now the equation, to write the equation delta x e equal to the constant is a k5, the integration of 0 t minus delta x into d dt. Here the position of the point d, it moves the upward direction, take as the positive, sorry, take as the negative. So this is first equation and second equation, and the equation 3 taking as a Laplace transform of equation 1 and 2, 3 we obtained this one delta xc equal to the first equation. To apply the Laplace transform, xc of s equal to k1 into delta f of s minus k2 into delta pc of s. The second, this is equation number 4, and to apply the second equation Laplace transform delta xd of s equal to k3 into delta xc of s plus k4 into delta xc of s. And then to apply the third equation, taking as the Laplace transform delta xc of s equal to minus k5 by s into delta xd of s. The integration of Laplace transform is a 1 by s. And then eliminating the values of delta xc and xd, we obtain. So here in this equation, the fourth equation is the delta xc of s equal to k1 into delta f of s minus k2 into delta pc of s. In the delta xd of s equal to k3 into delta xc of s plus k4 into delta xc of s. Here the substituting equation 5 in equation 6. Delta xd of s is the equation, substitute in a equation 6. So here the delta xc of s equal to then finally equation delta xc of s equal to k2 k3 delta pc of s minus k1 k2 delta f of s by k4 plus s by k5. So if we want to the delta xc of s, k by kg by 1 plus stg into delta pc of s minus 1 by r into delta f of s. Here is the k, here is the k, here the kg, sorry, kg equal to k2 k3 by k4, k2 k3 by k4 is written as kg, and tg means 1 by k4 k5, 1 by k4 k5, it is the time constant of the speed governor, and kg means gain of the speed governor, and r means, to write the r means k2 by k1, it is the r is the speed regulation. What is meant by speed regulation? The speed regulation is a defined the rate of drop in frequency of a control inlet valve due to increases the generation, the power, increases the power generation. So R equal to speed regulation, delta F by delta PA, H for megawatt. So here this is the mathematical model of speed governing systems. So first of all, let the assume that to write the mathematical model equation, to assume the initial values of power system frequency, output power and steam valve positions, then the changing the point load speed changer lower position by changing the linkage mechanism, and finally we derive the delta xc of s equal to k2 kg by 1 plus s into tg delta pc of s minus 1 by r into delta f of s is the change in frequency. R means delta f of s means change in frequency, r means speed regulation, delta pc is the power generations, kg is the gain of the power system, tg is the time constant. Here this is the steam valve settings of the speed governing system. To draw the in this black diagram, the speed governing time constant and k2 k3 by k4 gain of the speed govern. To the black diagram of to draw the this transfer function here, delta xc of s equal to output, delta xc of s is the output, delta pc of s is the input. To draw the black diagram here, so first of all kg 1 plus s into tg. So here the open loop transfer functions, and delta xc of s, delta of s, to finally write the delta of xc of s equal to kg into 1 plus s into tg into delta pc of s minus 1 by r into delta of fs to the, this is the black diagram representation of speed governing system. This is the mathematical model of speed governing system. Thank you.